Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we'll learn how to do a simple subtraction of two integers in Dev C++. It's super easy, so stay with us till the end and you'll understand the coding completely. So let's move towards our video. First of all, we will open our Dev C++ software. Now click on the upper left corner file. Now on this interface, we will start our coding. As you all know, in the first line we write #include iAustria. In the second line we write using namespace std. This allows us to use standard functions like count and sin without writing std again and again. And in the third line we will write int main. From here we will start our main programming. Now you should focus on programming because from here it becomes very easy. It all depends on how much your mind can pick up, so pay attention to the programming. Here we will declare integers of the programming. This is string for our understanding. We will write C in integer number 1. Again, C out string for our understanding. Now again, C in for integer number 2. Now, to find the result, we will give the formula that shows you how to process it and how to get the answer. For the result, we will write here, result is equal to integer number 1 minus integer number 2. Now, we will write here, the subtraction result is in a double quotation as a string. And see out the result. An end line also. So friends, as you can see, our program has now been completed. The next step is to run it and check the output so that we can see how our simple subtraction code actually works. To run this program, press F11. So finally, our program has run successfully. And as you can see, it is asking us to enter the first number. Here, we have the freedom to type in any number we want, whether it's odd or even, and the program will still process it correctly. This shows how flexible and simple our subtraction code really is. So I will write here, 525 minus 323. Now press Enter key to get answer. And exactly the answer is 202. So friends, as you already know, we always teach you easy programming tips and simple coding methods. Our goal is to make programming clear and enjoyable for everyone, even beginners. If you keep practicing with us, step by step, you'll soon realize how simple coding can be. Stay connected with us for more helpful videos, because together we will continue to learn and grow in the world of programming. Thank you.